Hello students, this is Firdaus. I'm your math teacher. So today I'm going to teach you class 9 mathematics. So in our previous class we have already read about the what is real number and how to rationalize real number, how to represent a rational number on a number line. Okay, so today our topic is laws of exponent for a real number. लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट फॉर ए रियल नंबर. कुछ लॉज हैं जिसको आपको फॉलो करना पड़ता है रियल नंबर को एक्सपोनेंट को फाइंड करने के लिए. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर ड्यू लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर क्लास. सो फर्स्ट सी here you have the few laws you have to keep in your mind properly. See first, that is a to the power m into a to the power n. This will give you a to the power m plus n. Means what? Whenever you have given a to the power m, that is the same. See here, base is same, base is equal. अगर base same होगा और दोनों के बीच relation product का होगा तो power will be added. And whenever you have given a to the power m, divide a to the power n, or in the form of this type of also you can find, you can see somewhere. So now here you have to subtract the power. Power को क्या करना है आपको? Subtract करना है. Now a to the power m, a to the power m and b to the power m. So here a into b whole to the power m, ये आपका होता है. Next, if you have given a to the power minus m, then what you have to do? a to the power 1 by a to the power m. ठीक है, जो भी पावर रहेगा उसको बाय में कर देना. ठीक है, एक्सपोनेंट है उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. If you have given a to the power 0, or you can say the something to the power 0, that this will give you 1. This will give you 1. And whenever you have given power to the power, मतलब कितना ही पावर के ऊपर पावर कुछ भी रहे, whatever, nothing to worry. ये power m to the power n, n to the power o. So here you have to find the product of all power. Okay, and take this base. So and next, if you have given the n root of a and here you have power m, so what is the formula? Here a to the power m by n. ठीक है, ये वाला पावर न्यूमरेटर बन जाएगा, ये वाला डिनोमिनेटर बन जाएगा. And whenever given you have that is n to the power a, so this will give you what? A to the power 1 by n, 1 by n. So these are the few laws which you have to follow to solve our next exercise, which is exercise 1.6. okay, exercise 1.6 आपको सॉल्व करना है इस एक्सपोनेंट के हेल्प से. सो इसको अच्छे से याद कीजिए और उसके बाद आप देखिए. So next I am going to solve exercise 1.6. okay, this is from class 9 NCERT textbook, class 9 NCERT. okay, so in first question of 164 power 1 by 2. so here you have to prime factorize the 64, or whether you can find 8 into 8 because here is 2, 1 by 2, so 8 to the power square and 1 by 2. And here see, power to the power, that means power will be multiply, so 2 1 जा 2, so this will give you 8 to the power 1. तो ये होगी आपका 8 आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, 125 to the power 1 by 3. so here also find the prime factorize of 125. so this will give you 5 into 5 into 5 to the power 1 by 3. that means 5 to the power cube 1 by 3. so 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, 3 1 जा 3, so this will give you 5. so ये आपका और ये आपका क्यूबिक रूट भी बोल सकते हो इसको आप, क्यूबिक रूट, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In question number 2, one number 9 whole 3 by 2, 9 to the power 3 by 2. So here now find let's prime factorize that 9, 3 into 3 power 3 by 2, that is 3 into 3 means what, 3 to the power 2 and whole to the power 3 by 2. So 3 into 2 into 3 by 2, so this will give you 3 to the power 3. So 3 3 जा 9 and 3 जा 27, ये हो गया आपका. Next I am going to solve question number 4. 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. So let's prime factorize. As you all know that 5 to the power 3 will give you 125 and here minus 1 by 3 is find the product of power. 3 1 ja 3, so this will give you 1 1 ja 1, that is 5 to the power minus 1, so this will give you 1 by 5, okay, according to law of exponent. Okay, so now see question number 3. Very simple question number 3. It is 16 whole 3 by 4. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, so 2 to the power 4 give you 16 and here 3 by 4. Again power to the power, that is 4 into 3 by 4, 4 1 ja 4, so 2 to the power 3, this will give you 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, so this is your required answer. Now I am going to solve question number 3. बहुत ही आसान है, आप इजीली कर सकते हो इसको. अगर आपके पास लॉ ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट जो मैंने लिखाया अगर वो आपको याद होगा तो आप इजीली उसको बना सकते हो, ठीक है. तो उसको सही से याद कीजिए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ऑफ वन नंबर यू हैव 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. So here see 2 and 2, that is base are same and there is a sign of product multiplication, so power will be added. So 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5, 2 to the power, so 5 3 ja 15 and 3 5 ja 5 2 ja 10 plus 5 3 ja 3 1 ja 3, so this will give you 2 to the power 13 by 15 is your required answer. Okay, so now I am going to solve question number 3. See question number 3. In question number 3 you are given 11 to the power 1 by 2 by 11 to the power 1 by 4. Here base are same but the relation between them is division, so the power will be subtracted. So 11 whole to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4, so this will give you 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 minus 1, so 11 to the power 1 by 4. ये आपका रिलेशन है. तो इस तरह से आप इसको क्वेश्चन को क्या कर सकते हो, सॉल्व कर सकते हो. इनको 2 नंबर देख लीजिए 3 का. 1 by 3 power cube whole to the power 7. सो हियर 1 पे पावर 3 कर दो, कुछ भी कर दो 1 ही आएगा आंसर. तो हम इस तरह से लिख सकते हैं 1 पे पावर 3 होल 3, दैट इज 1 पे पावर 3 1, 3 पे पावर 3 3 क्यूब, एंड ऑलरेडी आपका क्या है 7 है. So 1 by 3, 3 into 7, this will give you 1 by 3 21. ये आपका आंसर है, ठीक है. तो इस तरह से आपको फाइंड करना है. So we have completed our chapter 1. So in our next class we will discuss about the polynomials. Okay, so thank you class.